Hi guys, welcome to the video. Now today I've got a brand new competition starting for an amazing product that launches on the 16th of August called Agency Reel. Now this is actually version 2. I like promoting products that obviously version 2 and 3 because you know they're updated, you know people's using them and you know they're working. Now this has been updated with a lot of features for video. So I'm going to tell you more about that on the 16th of August, but the competition starts today, closes on the 16th of August, and also you can win my amazing bonus package. Now my amazing bonus package features 2 brand new apps. One is a booking app, but it's not just a booking app. You can talk to your clients through it by video. You can take live calls where you can charge for those calls. It's got full booking features, everything else. It really is a nice app. Plus I've got a full agency site with a full script, everything ready, done for you, so you can showcase your works. You can have clients in there, things like that as well. Now also on top of that, I've got resellers to both those products. So not only do you get the applications, but you get the resellers as well to both those products. And I've got a ton more bonuses on top of that as well. So for the competition, you can win a copy of Agency Reel version 2 with all the video features, plus my bonus pack. And you know, if you've ever seen any of my bonus packs, you know no one will beat my bonus pack. So all you need to do to enter the competition, comment on this video, like and share the video, and subscribe to the channel. Then on the 16th of August, I'll pick the winner. But on the 16th of August as well, I'm going to go through Agency Reel version 2, show you what's changed and show you how easy this is to use as well. Okay? And also, if you look in the description below, you will see a link across to my pre-sale bonus page, so you can have a look at the bonuses. Plus, on that page, right at the bottom, I've got some free downloads, so please claim those if you want them. So thanks for watching. Make sure that you comment on this video, like and share the video, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you on the next video.